Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making meat lovers pizza. Alright, I'm starting out here in my skillet. I have preheating over medium heat. And I'm going to add in a pound of mild ground Italian sausage and a pound of ground beef. And I'm going to get them in here, break them up and brown them up. And if there's any excess grease, I'm going to drain that off. So I'm going to go ahead and get my meat in here and get that browning up. Alright, now that I have my sausage and my ground beef all browned up, on a cookie sheet I have a piece of parchment paper and I have one of these canned pizza crust that I spread out there. We're going to start putting our pizza together. I'm making 2 of them, but I'm only going to do 1 on camera because I don't want to keep you guys here for 3 years. So I'm going to start by putting some pasta sauce on the dough. And I like pasta sauce more than pizza sauce because it's a little sweeter. And you just want to get enough on there to get a nice coating. And I didn't crimp the edges of my pizza sauce because there's really no need. And if you don't have parchment paper, spray a little bit of canola spray or vegetable spray down on your cookie sheet before you put your pizza crust on there so it doesn't stick. A little more sauce. Dexter, you want pizza? Huh, Dexter? Okay, that's looking good. Alright, now I'm going to put my cheese on here. I'm using shredded mozzarella cheese. I'll put a healthy sprinkle on there. And as this bakes, that crust will rise. My son Zach came down for a cup of iced tea, or a glass of iced tea, and Dexter seen him and now he's yelling for him. And you just want to go out to the edges with your cheese. Alright. Now I'm going to put on my vegetables. I'm putting green onion, or I'm sorry, I'm putting onion and green bell pepper on my pizza. I like mushrooms, but as everybody knows by now, Eric doesn't, so we're not going to use them today. You just want to sprinkle your onion around. I'm putting on some bell pepper. And I'm trying to divide up my vegetables evenly for the 2 pizzas. I used 1 bell pepper and I used 1 onion for the 2 pizzas. Now we're going to add our meat. I'm going to start by putting that ground beef and sausage on there first. Just want to sprinkle that around on your pizza evenly. A little more. Right, now I'm going to add some pepperoni. Remember guys, I said this is a meat lover's pizza, so we're going to load it. And if there's something here you don't like, you don't have to add it. If there's something extra you want, you can add it. Let your pizza make it your own. Alright, now that I have my pepperoni on, right to the end with it, and I'm going to steal a piece, guys. I have some deli ham cut up into little squares. We're going to get that on there. I just want to sprinkle that all over. Dexter's going nuts, guys. Alright, we're looking good. Finally, I have some bacon that I cut up. We're going to put some bacon on there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my second pizza, put that together off camera. Then I'm going to get these into a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes till the crust is I'm tripping over my tongue, is nice and crispy and our vegetables are cooked through and our meat's heated up. Alright, my pizza's done. I went for the 15 minutes. It just came out. Look at how nice and golden brown it is. Everything's all crisped up. Smelling delicious in here. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm using a fork because pizza's just so loaded with everything. I don't want it to fall apart as I'm eating it. Dexter! That's good, guys. You know your favorite Italian restaurant in town? Not a place like Domino's that's a fast food pizza joint, but your favorite Italian place that makes that really good, authentic Italian pizza. This tastes just as good as that, guys, at a fraction of the price. I mean, it's delicious. And other than cutting everything up, it really wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Meat Lovers Pizza. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.